how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode here on the G's Footage Garage. Today, I'm going to head over to the Muffler shop today, and I'm going to have the rear MPP welded up to the X-pipe. If you guys remember, when we put the stainless works long tube headers and X-pipe, we had to cut off a little bit of the MPP off to make it fit, and we went ahead and did that, but we have that gnarly exhaust leak out back. If you guys remember, there was about a 1/4 inch of material that I needed to 100% connect the pipes. So I'm gonna go over to the muffler shop today and have that taken care of. You can kind of hear it when I'm driving. You can kind of hear the little hissing noise, the little exhaust leak. I don't think it affects performance one bit. We got the car dynoed and everything with it, but it's something that bothers me and it's super annoying. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that today. So yeah, let's touch base again once we get to the muffler shop. You think I have room?
Got room.
Alright guys, so since I did it on my back on the floor, I thought I didn't have enough meat, but on the lift, Jerry saw that I may have enough meat to just push the MPP up a little bit, and I don't have to weld on it. So hopefully that's the case, and you know, that's the best way to fix this and the easiest way to fix this. But there is a gnarly exhaust leak right now. I'll show you. Alright guys, without the clamp, you guys can see right there. That's the issue that we're having.
So when I push forward, we're going to want to get this lined up right on them.
Well, I guess it was me all along. I thought I didn't have enough meat, but apparently all I needed was a lift and 2 big crowbars and an extra manpower. So the tips are a little in now, but I think it's okay. Okay guys, so as you guys saw, all we really needed to do was push the MPP a little bit more back, give us that extra 1/4 inch of meat that we needed so the clamp could secure it and we didn't have no more exhaust leak. And that's pretty cool. It saved me some money. It's definitely a lot cheaper to do it this way than actually having to have him weld something. You know, that's why I like this guy. He's pretty cool. He could have easily just said, yeah, let's put it on the rack, weld some extensions. But he was like, hey, look, you have enough enough room to push this back a little, and you know, you don't have to pay me for welding. I was like, oh, dope. Well, let's give it a shot. So that's pretty cool. It tells a lot about a company. It tells a lot about a shop. So I like that. Jerry, my man, you're a beast. You're a beast.
It is. There it is. See, a little.
Let's see if it starts. Jerry, get in. That car's so sick, I swear. Well, thanks again, Jerry. Really appreciate it.
No problem.
Alright, guys. Well, there you guys have it. It was a simple fix. It was a lot harder for me to figure that out because, you know, my garage is small. I was on my back. I basically did it by myself, so I did the best I could, right? These guys even struggled to make it fit in there, but they got enough meat. They pushed the exhaust in enough to where they had enough meat, and they got the clamps in there securely, and it was pretty cool because it saved me some money. I was really expecting to pay like, I don't know, 80 bucks, you know, to weld some couplers and extend them out and stuff like that, but you know, he was like, oh, you don't need to do all that. All you need to do is push the exhaust in. I was like, cool. You know, that's pretty awesome of him to find an alternate, cheaper solution, which when these times everybody's just trying to get rich overnight, right? So that was pretty cool of him. Jerry's Mufflers, or Lara's Mufflers, city of Long Beach or Paramount. We'll put in his business card right here so you guys can see. If you guys need him, head over, tell him Boogieman sent you. You know, he'll hook you up. And yeah, so cool, guys. That wraps up another video today. Tomorrow we're gonna be heading over to a private event over at Irwindale Drag Strip, and we're gonna be racing Boogieman again for the first time in a long time. So definitely gonna be some driver learning again, right? I'm gonna have to get back on my A game, but I think we should get some pretty good runs in. We haven't really ran the car with the long tube setup yet, all dialed in, and so we're hoping for a good number. So we'll see how it goes. With that being said, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Who knows what we get into, but catch you guys later.